Let me ask you something. Wouldn't it be amazing to not just live longer, but live better? More energy, fewer health issues, and a sharper mind, all the way into your 70s, 80s, and beyond? The truth is, living a long, healthy life isn't about some secret pill or miracle supplement. It's about what's on your plate. Today, we're diving into science-backed superfoods that could add years to your life and life to your years. So, grab a smoothie or a cup of green tea. You'll see why in a second. And let's get started. Berries. Tiny, powerful, and packed with life-extending goodness. Love berries? Good, because they love you back. Berries aren't just a sweet treat. They're one of the most powerful foods you can eat for longevity. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. All of them are loaded with antioxidants that protect your body from cellular damage. Research shows berries can lower inflammation, support brain health, and reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. One major study even found that older adults who ate strawberries and blueberries regularly had slower cognitive decline. Talk about brain fuel. And here's the best part. Frozen berries are just as healthy as fresh ones, so you can enjoy them year-round. Pro tip: toss them into smoothies. Sprinkle them over oatmeal or blend a quick smoothie. 1.5 cups apple juice or almond milk, 1 banana, 1.5 cups, frozen mixed berries, 3/4 cup, Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey optional, mint leaves to garnish. Blend it all together and boom. Breakfast just turned into a longevity elixir. Green tea. Your morning ritual just got smarter. We all know green tea is healthy, but did you know it might actually help you live longer? Packed with polyphenols, green tea fights inflammation, boosts metabolism, and reduces the risk of heart disease and even cancer. In fact, studies show that people who drink multiple cups of green tea a day have up to 60% lower risk of dying from heart-related issues. But don't worry, you don't need to guzzle down 7 cups a day. Just 1 or 2 cups can still give your body serious health benefits. So, next time you're reaching for coffee, consider swapping in a warm, calming cup of green tea. Your future self will thank you. Beans. The underrated longevity. Powerhouse beans might not be flashy, but they're absolute nutrient bombs. Rich in plant-based protein, fiber, potassium, and low in fat, beans are a staple in some of the world's longest-living communities, like those following the Mediterranean diet. They help lower cholesterol, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, promote heart health support. Healthy digestion research even suggests that eating beans regularly is linked to a longer lifespan. Don't love them? Start slow. Add them to soups, salads, or taco bowls. Your heart and waistline will thank you. Leafy greens. More than just rabbit food. Spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard. These greens are your body's natural medicine. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and fight off age-related vision loss. Leafy greens are also linked to better brain function and reduced risk of heart disease. A major long-term study found that just 1 serving of leafy greens per day can cut your risk of cancer by up to 8%. Toss them in smoothies, sauté them with garlic, or make a giant salad with lemon vinaigrette. However you do it, just eat your greens. Salmon, the smart meat swap. Good news for meat lovers. You don't have to go vegan to live longer, you just have to eat smarter. Instead of processed or red meat, opt for fatty fish like salmon. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to protect the heart, brain, and joints. Just 2 ounces of salmon a day could lower your risk of death from heart disease or other chronic conditions by over 10%, and even reduce the chances of Alzheimer's. Add grilled salmon to your dinner plate a few times a week, and you've made a major upgrade to your longevity game. Walnuts. brain fuel for the long run. Out of all the nuts, walnuts shine the brightest when it comes to long-term health. They're rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that improve heart and brain health. One study tracking participants over 18 years found that those who ate 5 servings of walnuts a week lived, on average, more than a year longer than those who didn't. Add them to your breakfast, snack on them during the day, or sprinkle over salads. Your brain will stay sharper, longer. Dark chocolate, dessert with a purpose. Yes, you read that right. Chocolate can be good for you, as long as it's dark chocolate with at least 75% cacao. Rich in flavonoids, dark chocolate improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and supports heart health. It also helps neutralize free radicals that lead to chronic disease. A small piece a day keeps guilt at bay, and might just keep the doctor away, too. Coffee, more than just a wake-up call. If you're a coffee lover, here's your permission to sip with pride. Studies show that moderate coffee consumption, around 2 to 3 cups per day, can reduce inflammation and help prevent diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Caffeine has also been shown to protect brain cells and support liver health. Just skip the sugary syrups and creamers. Keep it clean to keep it healthy. Avocados, creamy, dreamy, and heart-healthy. Avocados are more than just trendy toast toppings. They're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that help reduce cholesterol and inflammation. They also keep you full longer, which means fewer cravings, better weight control, and a healthier heart. Plus, early research shows avocados may help target aggressive cancer cells. That's a pretty good reason to add them to your grocery list. So which one will you add to your plate today? Let us know in the comments below.